Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today I have an unboxing, a special unboxing. See this? It just came and I'm going to open it in just a minute. This box came from Jenna at Life in Farmland. Jenna is Eric's wife, and if you haven't checked out Life in Farmland, go check it out. I'm going to try and put in the link. The first time we met Eric, somebody sent us a message. We'd only been on YouTube 2 to 3 weeks, and they sent a message and said, you got a shout out from Life in Farmland. We had no clue who Life in Farmland was, so we went and checked it out, and Eric called us old. Y'all check it out. I'm going to put it in the description. Eric called us old. He's never going to live it down. From that point, Eric has been one of the special friends we've had since we started YouTube. And I've gotten to know Jenna just a little bit through messages back and forth. And she has a wonderful sense of humor. She and I, had snow and we had a lot of grass. So Danny cut the grass and I made a grass man instead of a snowman. So I'm going to link that up here too. And you're just going to see that we've had a great time back and forth. Eric designed the Deep South logo, the one with the porch swing and the carrots and everything. That's one of Eric's designs. He's awesome. He's a great guy. And Jenna's a sweetheart. So let me show you what she sent me. Okay, let's see if we can get it. I've kind of got it broken loose here. And it says, thought of you when I saw this. And it is a plant. So let's see what this is. Okay, guys, the plant made it. It's got dirt on it because it dumped out of the roots a little bit, but we're going to go plant it. But look what it is. A candy corn vine. Do you see that? It puts on flowers like candy corn. So I'm fixing to be growing my own candy corn. I'm just trying to figure out, will it make different flavors? Or am I going to be stuck with the regular candy corn flavor or what? So I'm fixing to put this vine in a pot that can come inside. We're going to research it and see what I have to do with it. It says it's like sun to partial shade, and it's a vine. It blooms in the summer, red with gold tips. So guys, we're fixing to be growing our own candy corn here at Deep South. Danny can grow anything. Let's just see what we can do with a candy corn vine. Thank you, Jenna. This is very special, and I am loving my candy corn stuff, guys. And to be able to grow my own, hey, we just might make it through all this solar minimum stuff if I can grow candy corn. Isn't that awesome? Let's go get it in a pot. So we found a home for our candy corn vine. It's here in this pot. And I've got a stick here because it's supposed to grow maybe 8 to 10 feet tall on this. I'll just keep winding it around and we'll see how it does. It says it likes full sun as long as it's not too hot. And it likes semi-shade. You can grow it as a house plant. It's saying zones 8 to 11 for the most part. And any other places as long as you've got a good shady window, I believe. So I'll probably take it inside in the winter. If it makes it that long, we're going to see how it does. And I want to challenge Jenna and Eric from Life in Farmland to show me their plant and how it's doing off and on, because Jenna from Life in Farmland sent this to me. She bought her one too. So I want to know how she grows candy corn. Guys, you didn't think it could be done, but Deep South's going to try it. We're going to try and grow candy corn. You never know what's going to happen around here. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.